Hello friends, welcome to my trading channel. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a website that I believe will be extremely helpful if you are an index options trader. The name of the website is 915trade.com. This website focuses purely on volume. No other indicators are used. Let's go through its features one by one. On this platform, you can select Nifty, FINIFTY, Bank Nifty, or Sensex. You can view both live charts and historical data. Right now, only premium subscribers have access to live data. If you want premium subscription, use this discount coupon code, so you can get the premium subscription at discount price. Now, let's look at the first and most powerful feature, the futures buy and sell chart. This chart is designed in the simplest way possible so that even if you just started trading yesterday, you'll fully understand it by the end of this video. It has only 4 lines, but once you know what they mean, you'll be able to see who is really in control of the market, long before the price actually moves. The green line is called the buy line. Every time someone buys aggressively, this green line moves up by exactly that number of contracts. So, a fast-rising green line means big buyers are jumping in right now. The red line is the sell line. Every time someone sells aggressively, the red line moves up. A steeply rising red line means big sellers are dumping contracts at the moment. The white line is called the difference line. It's very simple. Difference equal green minus red. When the difference line is above 0, it means buyers have been stronger overall. When it's below 0, it means sellers have been stronger. Every time this line crosses the 0 level, the balance of power is shifting. That's a very important moment. The thick colored line is called the difference alpha arc. Think of it as a smooth, easy to read version of the diff line. When it turns bright blue, it means buyers are getting stronger and stronger. When it turns pink, it means sellers are taking control. This line often changes color a few minutes before the price actually shoots up or drops, so it acts like an early warning system. That's the power of 915trade.com, pure volume-based insight, presented in the clearest way possible. Next one is the spot candles chart. For every index, we show real-time 1-minute candles of the actual spot price. In this example, you are looking at Nifty spot candles with the opening range and all important strike levels drawn right on the chart, so you instantly see where price is sitting. The opening range is built from the first 4 1-minute candles, that is 9:15 to 9:19 am. We mark the high as ORH and the low as ORL with clear horizontal lines. We also draw horizontal lines at every major strike price, so you can quickly see how the spot price relates to key option levels. Now, let's talk about markers. This is the really powerful part. Markers show hidden buyer-sell pressure directly on the spot candles, so you can read the strength visually without opening 10 different screens. Blue markers below the candle is equal to buying pressure. Pink markers above the candle is equal to selling pressure. They are 100% based on volume only. Price is never used to create them. So they truly tell you what big players are doing underneath the price move. Markers start from the 9:16 candle onwards. Big triangles mean very heavy or severe volume across strikes. Small dots mean notable but lighter pressure. Even if the heavy pressure continues, after the first triangle it will keep showing dots. Right now, markers are available on Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex. Quick reminder, markers are not automatic buy or sell signals. They simply reveal underlying pressure. Always combine them with your strategy, levels and other data before taking any trade. You can customize everything easily. turn markers on or off. Show or hide the opening range lines. Turn off, show full candles, and a slider appears. Now you can scroll and zoom into any 80 candle section of the day. Works perfectly in both live and historical mode. Now let's talk about the real secret weapon, volume trendline and alpha arc. Normal charting platforms draw trend lines using price, highs and lows, close, whatever. Here trendline uses zero price data. It is built 100% from volume alone. And the crazy part? Price almost always ends up respecting and following this line for line. That's how strong hidden volume pressure really is. Here's how simple it is to read. When the trend line is above the zero line means buyers are dominating. Below zero means sellers are dominating. When it's rising means buying power is increasing. When it's falling means selling power is growing. So, trend line going up means think calls. Trend line going down means think puts. Many times this thing turns well before price does, giving you a true first mover edge. Then we have the alpha arc. Think of it as the smoother, calmer big brother. It's a smoothed version of the trend line that cuts out noise and shows the real trend direction. How to use both together? Trend line is above the alpha arc and both are sloping up means strong uptrend. Expect price to go higher. Trend line is below the alpha arc and both sloping down means strong downtrend. Expect price to fall. Use the fast trend line to feel the live power and the alpha arc to confirm, yes, this move has legs. This is never a standalone blind signal. Always combine it with markers, opening range, strike levels, and your own plan. But once you start watching price dance around a line that doesn't even use price, you'll never look at regular charts the same way again. The power of pure volume analysis on 915 trade. Next up, Strikewise Sellers Volume. This is where you see exactly where the big boys are putting their money. You get a clean bar chart with every major strike. Red bars means call sellers. Blue bars means put sellers. The at-the-money strike is highlighted in the middle, and you always see 5 strikes above and 5 below. It moves automatically with spot price. One look and you instantly know. Just click any bar and boom, a pop-up opens showing the cumulative call seller and put seller volume lines for that exact strike throughout the day. You can literally watch how the heavy volume was added or unwound minute by minute. Green candle means sellers increasing. Red candle means sellers exiting that particular strike. There's also a mini price chart inside, so you can see exactly how price reacted every time sellers piled in or backed off. This is pure options flow, made dead simple. No more guessing who's fighting at which level. It's all right in your face. Updated live. Combine this with the markers and volume trend line, and you basically have X-ray vision into the market. By now, I hope you've got a solid idea of just how powerful 915trade.com really is. Pure volume-driven tools that most traders have never even seen before. If you still have any doubts or want to ask anything directly, just drop me a message on WhatsApp, and if you are ready to grab the premium subscription, use this code for a discount. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.